Looking for a BNC compression connector that guarantees a perfect connection every time? These RG-59 BNC connectors come with advanced InSITE technology featuring a 360 degrees clear window. That means you can actually see the cable inside before you compress the connector, eliminating guesswork and ensuring a confident, secure fit on every install. What sets these connectors apart is their smart design and durable build. Crafted from a single piece of plastic and nickel-plated brass, they resist corrosion even in tough environments. The gold-plated fixed center pin is built to accept 23 to 18 AWG solid center conductors, ensuring excellent signal transmission without interference. Plus, they're optimized for 75 ohms coaxial cables with standard 1/4 by 1/4 inch cable preparation, making them a perfect match for RG-59 cables. Whether you're setting up a home security system, a CCTV network, or any analog camera installation, these connectors deliver consistent performance. They're also versatile enough for other video and instrumentation applications. The package includes 35 connectors compatible with cables having a dielectric diameter between 142 and 148 inches and an outer jacket diameter from 230 to 250 inches. Users rave about how easy these connectors are to use. One installer shared that with the right crimper, the connectors worked flawlessly. The clear window lets you see exactly how far to push the cable in, removing the frustrating guesswork common with other connectors. For the price, these offer features usually found in higher-end options, and they're ready to handle your toughest installations. If you're tired of fumbling with unclear connectors or worrying about signal loss, these RG-59 BNC compression connectors are worth a look. They combine clear visual guidance with sturdy construction to make your setup faster and more reliable. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your installation experience.